How do you create a dynamic audience based on interaction on the channel?
Right. So by this time, you should already have tags happening on your account. So just go into your ManyChat account, growth tools, and you'll see the ads section. Now, I know you guys have tested this before, but let's say you don't have any ads created yet. So hit on create new ad. It usually takes a few seconds since we do have a lot of ad accounts. But as soon as this pops up, select the ad account that you wanted the ads to be connected to. So for this example, we're going to do Dr. Berg. And we will then go ahead and create a new campaign. Any campaign type should be fine. Create a new ad set. And this is where we're going to create the custom audiences first. So you'll see use custom or lookalike audience. So any admins of the Facebook page and business manager can go ahead and utilize this section. And this should be highlighted in blue. Create a custom audience. Name your custom audience. Just go ahead and have this as a sample. Click create. And select the tag you wanted to use. Let's say the test tag that I had been using, then create audience. Now, what will happen is all your subscribers in here that is currently tagged will be automatically added into your business manager audience section, which you can retarget for ads. Now, at this point of time, it's not a dynamic audience yet. What you have done is just create a customer list or a custom audience of Messenger subscribers that are currently tagged. So in order for this to be dynamic, go to your automation sections. You can abort this step. You don't have to worry. Go to your automation, rules, and create a rule. So our trigger is when the same tag is applied to a subscriber any number of times, and we would trigger a Facebook custom audience. Now the same setup, we're going to select the ad account we're going to connect this to, and now we're going to, so you have two options, add or remove. We're going to add and select the custom audience. So this custom audience should be the same one we had just created earlier. So again, the name of that custom audience is Facebook sample. It should be at the very top. Save. Don't forget to name your rule. Save and activate. Now, all new subscribers that's going to be tagged by this will automatically be added onto your custom audience, and you can see that custom audience directly inside Business Manager, and it should be at the very top of the list as well. Say if you can't see it directly, if you or some of your team members are, oops, I'm on the wrong ad account, are constantly creating custom audiences, there is a search option on the left, but here it is at the very top, Facebook sample. Currently ready, around 1,900 subscribers, and this is or will be still updating as your audience grows as well.
That was actually super fast. Just like that, you got 1,900 people there ready that you can plug it into an ad set. Absolutely.
Yep, that's about it. That's how easy it is for you to create dynamic custom audiences from ManyChat to your business manager. And as you provide more content and value, the audience is going to grow as well.